I'm Tim Malloy with the Civic Association with an update now on the COVID virus. We're working obviously in conjunction with the town of Palm Beach as well as fire rescue and the police. Here is the very latest on March the 20th, Friday afternoon. A very cautionary tone taken today by town manager Kirk Bluin. Right now, 3 people with homes on the island have tested positive for COVID-19, but Bluin warns Palm Beach residents not to be fooled by the numbers. He says there are currently no test kits available in Palm Beach County, so the number of positive cases is artificially, deceptively low. Meantime, Governor Ron DeSantis issuing an executive order today requiring all non-essential businesses to close immediately. Those non-essential businesses include restaurants, bars, taverns, breweries, fitness studios and gyms, bowling alleys, movie theaters, beaches. Now, here's the essential businesses allowed to remain open. They include grocery stores and pharmacies, pet supply stores, daycare facilities. Greens will be open, that pharmacy. Bluin says country clubs are allowed to remain open at this time, though social distancing, hand washing critical to containing community spread of COVID-19. Though the town manager clarified that a municipality such as Palm Beach does not have the legal authority to impose a mandatory shelter-in-place order, he believes today's executive order by the governor to shut down all non-essential businesses does not go far enough. As many town residents know, our councilwoman Maggie Zeidman was chief of nursing at Lenox Hill Hospital in New York, so she can approach this crisis from both the standpoint of the council right now and the town, as well as from the health standpoint. So here's today's message from Maggie.
Hi there. I've been asked a lot of questions today about what the government is going to do, what's going to happen next. And all I can say to you is what I said yesterday in a town council meeting. Listen to what the doctors are saying, listen to their language, listen to how they phrase things. Obviously listen to the president, to the governor. I really like Dr. Fauci and Dr. Birx. Listen to them. And I think you'll be able to follow the pebbles of bread and see where it's going, or to read the tea leaves on that. So you do need to be prepared. You have to get the things that you need, get your medications. What do I think will happen? The best thing that could happen is that we are a closed system right here in the United States. Nobody in, nobody out, because then you can control it. Whether or not it will go that far, I'm not a decision maker. But all we can do, you and me right now, all we can do is to make our own protocol. And that is to stay in our homes, to stay with our families, the people we're used to being with. And that will keep us safe, and it keeps other people safe. So that's the message today, is really just to continue doing what you're doing. I know it's difficult, and it will be difficult, more difficult in the weeks to come, because we all want to be with each other. We miss one another. We want to mingle with each other, talk to each other. We'll have to find other ways of doing that. I'll continue to make these little short clips so that you'll have some information. You're all doing a great job. Businesses here have done a great job. There were more closures today as we switched into non-essential and essential on the governor's orders. Good for the governor. Good that he did that. So, but it's difficult, and I know that. The other thing I want to point out is that Town Manager Bluin brought up something very important, and Daryl Donato, Chief Donato of our fire rescue today. And if you're looking at the numbers for the state of Florida, and you see that we have 39 positive, just remember that number underneath is how many tests we have done. And we haven't done many tests because we simply don't have the test kits. We don't have them, and we don't have enough supplies. So don't have this false feeling of everything's okay, because there aren't that many people who have tested in the county, that is, positive. It's because they're not being tested. That's why it's low. So just remember that. It should not give you this false sense of security. Stay home. That's the best thing you can do. And follow the other CDC recommendations that we've talked about. Wash your hands, don't touch your face, etc., etc., etc. So I wish you a very good evening, and until tomorrow, just be safe, be well, stay healthy, And as Lois Frankel says, and our mayor has said, don't get sick. Let's pray for all of our leaders. They have important decisions to make. And certainly our mayor has certainly taken care of us, and our town manager has protected us. And your council is here with you.
That is the latest update. As we've been telling you, we're working very closely with the town to try to get you everything we can as quickly as we can. That's all we have for now. We'll of course talk to you tomorrow. Be safe, be well, hang in there, and we'll talk to you soon.